Hey guys, Roman at CarTips. In this video today, I'll be showing you 5 things you need to know before buying a used car.
So the vehicle we're inspecting today is a 2005 Honda Civic. So try to inspect the vehicle you're buying when the engine and transmission are cold. They may run differently when they're warmed up. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Start by checking the condition of the oil in the dipstick. Check the oil level and see how clean it is. Make sure the oil doesn't look light and milky like a milkshake. This may indicate the coolant is getting into oil due to a cracked head or a blown head gasket. If the oil is dark, that just means that the oil hasn't been changed in a while. It does not necessarily mean that there's a problem with the engine. Open the engine oil filler cap and see if there's buildup on the underside of the cap. If the oil on the dipstick is dark, and there is buildup on the underside of the oil filler cap, this means the oil hasn't been serviced regularly on this vehicle. So the same goes for the coolant. Open the coolant cap, but make sure that the engine is cold when doing this, or that the car has sat for at least an hour since last running. Otherwise, when you open up the coolant cap, pressurized coolant may spray out and scald you. So be careful and open the coolant cap really slowly, always. Make sure that the coolant is clean and not like a milky looking mixture of oil and coolant. This may also indicate a bad engine if the coolant is in that condition. Also check the overflow tank if you can see down in there. Some cars it's not possible, like in the Civic. Next is the transmission fluid. Pull the transmission dipstick and check the ATF. New fluid is usually pink or red color, like a clear pink or red color, and worn ATF is brown. If the fluid is really dark and smells very bad, this may be a sign of internal components of the transmission are breaking apart and burning. This can be confirmed by test driving the vehicle. Make sure the gear shifts are smooth and not harsh jolts or slipping and having trouble shifting. You may want to avoid a vehicle like this to prevent a costly transmission repairs in the future. Then there are the tires. Just checking the amount of tread on the tires alone isn't enough, though you do want good tread left. Don't forget to check the inner side of the tire as well as the outside. Uneven wear usually indicates that the vehicle is out of alignment, and uneven tire wear is a side effect. Next, what you want to do is put your hands down on the side of the tire and run them down along, feeling for irregularities and bumps. You want the tire to be consistent in smoothness and free of any bumps or foreign material that may be stuck in the in the tread, like this screw here or nails. When test driving the vehicle, make sure that the steering wheel it doesn't pull. The vehicle doesn't pull to one side. And now for the final tip. Put the key into the ignition and turn it into the second on position. The dash lights should come on, and among them you should see a check engine light and an airbag light. Every single car is equipped with this dash lights. They come on when there is an issue with the vehicle, when the engine is running. If you don't see them at all when the key is in the on position, this means that the light is either burnt out or someone has removed it, so it won't light up when there's a problem with the vehicle. So if there's someone's trying to hide a problem and trying to sell their car, or their airbag's not working, or there's an issue with the engine, they'll take it out and try to hide it. This of course is illegal, but just something to look out for.
Alright guys, so that's it for my 5 tips on buying a used car. If the video helped you and you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to the channel for more car tips. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Thanks for watching, guys.